The art of transforming old tools into functional art installations encapsulates a remarkable journey of creativity and innovation, where forgotten relics are elevated into striking, statement pieces that resonate with both history and modern design. This process begins with the recognition of the inherent character embedded in those outdated wrenches, rusted gears, and worn saws. Each tool not only carries the weight of its previous life, but also tells a story that can be woven into the fabric of contemporary art and design. By focusing on thoughtful repurposing, artisans breathe new life into these relics, transforming them into unique lighting fixtures, sculptural displays, or integrated furniture elements that offer a touch of industrial elegance to modern interiors. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. As the creative journey unfolds, the initial step involves sourcing materials that most may overlook, old tools that have served their purpose, but are now gathering dust in basements, garages, or industrial warehouses. Engaging with this treasure trove of potential requires an artistic eye to see beyond their original utilitarian form. The process of selecting the right tools becomes an exploration of possibilities, as artisans envision how the shapes, textures, and colors of these metal implements can be harmoniously integrated into functional art. A vintage wrench, with its deep grooves and patina, may inspire the design of a striking lamp, while an array of gears could be reconfigured into a mesmerizing wall sculpture that captures the viewer's imagination. Each piece informs the next, creating a chain of artistic inspiration that elevates the ordinary into the extraordinary. Upon gathering the relics, the next phase emphasizes the transformation process, a meticulous journey that intertwines creativity with craftsmanship. Artisans approach their work with a sense of reverence, understanding that every tool carries with it a legacy that deserves to be honored in its new form. Taking apart and reconfiguring these items is not merely a mechanical process. It is a dialogue between the artist and the material, where techniques such as welding, cutting, and assembling come to life. For instance, when converting a cluster of old saw blades into a dynamic chandelier, the artisan must skillfully balance aesthetics with functionality, ensuring safety while crafting an awe-inspiring display that reflects the beauty of industrial design. Each choice made during this stage contributes to a piece's visual impact, allowing the creator to highlight the unique characteristics of the tools that fans of industrial decor would admire. The integration of old tools into art installations also invites a playful aspect to design, blurring the lines between function and form. By reimagining these relics as not just tools, but as artistic elements, artisans enrich spaces and evoke curiosity. Lighting installations, for example, can be crafted from old, upturned wrenches and fashioned to hold Edison-style bulbs that emit a warm, inviting glow. These pieces not only light up a room, but also serve as conversation starters, drawing attention to their sculptural qualities and the skills involved in their creation. Similarly, vintage gears can be arranged in layered patterns to create wall art that combines motion with stillness, emphasizing the history of each component while introducing an industrial edge that enhances contemporary interiors. Moreover, the act of repurposing does not solely focus on aesthetic appeal. It embodies a strong commitment to sustainability and resourcefulness. In a world grappling with excessive waste and mass production, transforming old tools into functional art installations speaks volumes about our capacity to innovate while respecting the environment. Each piece serves as a reminder that beauty can arise from what has been discarded, encouraging a culture that values rethinking and reusing materials rather than simply throwing them away. By championing this approach, artisans contribute to a dialogue about responsible design, highlighting the possibilities that come from envisioning the potential of materials that others may deem obsolete. The beauty of these functional art installations lies in their ability to align with personal storytelling. Each transformed relic carries its own history, and when incorporated into a space, the piece becomes part of a larger narrative. A sculptural installation made from an old tool kit can evoke memories of hands once crafting with care, while a lighting fixture crafted from parts of an antique saw embodies the spirit of mechanical ingenuity. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. These pieces can resonate deeply with inhabitants, offering not just visual appeal, but also a sense of connection to the past. The interplay between old and new enriches modern interiors, creating environments that reflect individuality and the values of sustainability and creativity. As the artisan further develops their practice, the interaction with old tools and the process of transformation can lead to the exploration of other materials, elevating repurposing into a multifaceted art form. Combining wood, glass, or fabric with repurposed metal can yield intricate designs that push the boundaries of traditional decor. For instance, integrating reclaimed wood into a display that features gear motifs can create a striking contrast, offering warmth alongside industrial elements. The possibilities for creative expression expand as artisans embrace a more holistic view of their projects, encouraging a blend of textures and materials that enhance the visual narrative of each installation. This interdisciplinary approach not only enriches the scope of their work, but also allows for greater innovation in how functional art can be perceived and appreciated. Community engagement also plays a vital role in the transformation of old tools into functional art. Artisans may share their work through exhibitions, workshops, or collaborative projects, inviting others to explore the craft and its possibilities. Such experiences foster a sense of connection among creators and audiences, bridging the gap between artist and observer. Tutorials and demonstrations further emphasize the skills involved in repurposing, showcasing the meticulous craftsmanship required to turn a rusted relic into an eye-catching decorative piece. By engaging with the community, artisans not only promote their own work, but also inspire others to embark on their own journeys of transformation, igniting interest in sustainability, creativity, and the art of repurposing. As the final pieces emerge from the workshop, they stand as stunning testaments to the power of creativity and craftsmanship. Each installation, whether it be a lighting fixture, sculpture, or furniture element, tells a story of rebirth and innovation. The inherent character of old tools shines through in the finished work, offering a unique aesthetic that elevates modern interiors with a distinct industrial elegance. The interplay between historical significance and contemporary design serves to enrich both the artisanal community and the interiors they inhabit, creating spaces that are not only visually captivating, but also deeply meaningful. In the practice of transforming old tools into functional art installations encapsulates a rich exploration of creativity, craftsmanship, and sustainability. By shining a light on the beauty of repurposed relics, artisans breathe new life into materials that once served specific functions, elevating them into captivating pieces that resonate with history and innovation. Through thoughtful design and meticulous craftsmanship, they create stunning installations that add an industrial elegance to modern living spaces while championing a sustainable approach to home decor. This journey of transformation invites admirers to appreciate the stories embedded in each piece, encouraging a culture that values the beauty of what has been reimagined. Ultimately, the legacy of these functional art installations lies in their capacity to evoke emotion, sparking a renewed sense of appreciation for the past while celebrating the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.